What does it really cost a business to skip DevOps? The losses don't always show up on the balance sheet, but they echo in missed deadlines, delayed releases, and frustrated teams. Your product is ready, but QA is still waiting on deployment. Operations is buried under manual processes. A simple update takes hours instead of minutes. And while you're waiting for approvals, your competitor is already live, winning customers before you even launch. That's the hidden cost of not adopting DevOps. Every delay compounds. Every inefficiency drains time, resources, and opportunity. At Impressico Business Solutions, we help businesses break that cycle. Through CI/CD pipelines, we automate deployments and minimize human error. Using Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform, we simplify scalability and ensure environment consistency. With continuous monitoring, we keep your systems running smoothly, detecting and resolving issues before they impact performance. Because DevOps isn't just a methodology, it's a mindset. When your teams collaborate in real time, your business moves faster, smarter, and stronger. Faster releases, fewer failures, greater agility. Impressico Business Solutions, transforming operations into opportunities and ideas into innovation.